All right, guys, today I'm going to share with you how 3 days in Vegas forever changed my life. And it's interesting that I've never shared this story before because it dramatically changed the trajectory of my life, my finances, my family situation, and so many other things. And I think I finally decided to share it with you because I'm hoping that it has a massive impact on you and will forever change your life for the positive. I think it was about 7 or 8 years ago. It might have even been a couple years longer than that. I was just starting out investing in real estate. At the time, I probably had a portfolio of about $4 or $5 million. I was a door-to-door salesman trying to make money knocking people's doors and teaching other sales reps how to do the same. And I was in a slump. I was stuck. I'd started investing, but I wasn't happy with the direction things were going. My cash flow wasn't where I wanted it to be. And it felt like I was just kind of trudging through mud. Like I'd put a lot of hard work and time and energy into making the money, and then I'd put it into investing in real estate that seemed like it was not spitting back a whole lot returns-wise. And I was just wondering what in the heck I was doing with my life. Now, at this point, I was also watching a lot of YouTube. And during this time window, Graham Stephan was just starting out, Meet Kevin was just starting out, and there was a guy named Matt McKeever. Now, keep in mind, all of them had, I would say, 100,000 subscribers or less. And looking at them, it seemed like they had these massive followings at the time. Who knew that they would become what they've become now? And so it's funny looking back and thinking then, man, they've built a pretty big following, but I'm just really interested in what they're doing, how they're investing, and how they've been able to build this following. And I was watching Matt McKeever, and I saw that he was throwing an event in Las Vegas. It was going to be 3 days, 2 nights, and I don't remember what it was. It was probably $5,000 or $6,000, and I was really torn. I had never gone to an event like this before, but the thing that was really pulling at me is I knew I was stuck. I had the money available, and I don't know, something that he said just connected with me about how there'd be other people there that were doing more than I was doing. And I saw that Graham and Kevin were going to the event, and I just thought, hey, I know that they've been doing more. They understand more with YouTube. Seems like they understand just as much or more in real estate, in business, and all of those things. And if they were going, who else might be going that might impact me in my life? So after discussing it with my wife, we decided we were going to take a trip to Vegas. At the time, her family lived there, and it would be perfect. I would go to the event and pay the money and see what happened. Well, I ended up connecting with Matt beforehand. We went and I learned so much. I connected with other multifamily investors that were doing things differently than I was. I connected with Kevin. I connected with Graham. And I was able to foster some relationships with them and probably half a dozen other people that I still keep in contact with today. Now, at this event, they actually asked me to speak once they got to know me for a little portion. And again, it was kind of how the event was structured, but I got to share my experience with sales, which also opened up a ton of doors. Kevin decided to fly out and do a video with me on knocking doors that now has received millions of views. Completely changed my door knocking business and our ability to recruit other sales reps, to sell our product, to be recognized, to be legitimate. And my trajectory in sales drastically increased. I also made a video on my own YouTube channel, and that was one of the first videos that actually performed well. That helped me to start building a YouTube following, which also played a huge role in finding other real estate deals, in being able to recruit high-performing sales reps to my space and to my team, to where then I could build to the point where we went from doing a couple $1 million a year in sales to doing close to $40 million a year in sales. Not only did this affect my income, it affected my ability to invest. That event was so impactful on my life as well because my vision completely changed. My trajectory changed, my goals changed. What I thought I was capable of and what was possible changed. Before, I was intimidated to go to the event. I wasn't sure if it was worth the money or the time. And then I said, hey, any events like this, I want to try and put myself in rooms like that because this forever changed how I viewed everything and my success and all of those things. And so I ended up going to another event with a bunch of CEOs and big real estate investors. I'd heard about this event, and honestly, to this day, I have no idea how I was accepted into that particular event because my income and my success was so much further below the people at that event. I connected with this massive developer out in Boise that owned hundreds of units, had done tons of commercial properties, and he had me fly out to Boise to go and walk his projects. Again, completely changed the way that I viewed real estate, how I was running my business. I met some of the biggest CEOs out of Utah that owned these massive organizations, and the way that they viewed business was something unlike I'd ever seen before. That one event in Vegas led me to make so many different decisions in how I invested and how I spent time with my family and prioritized them, how I prioritized my business, what I said yes to, what I said no to. And I'm telling you, had I not gone to that one event, I would be in a completely different space right now. I have no idea what it would look like, but I can promise you it would be nowhere near to the level or degree of success that I've been able to accomplish because I connected with such phenomenal people that were willing to give me insight and vision and direction, and more than anything else, clarity in where I needed to go and what was possible. Now, years later, after I built a following, after I've been through some really, really hard, difficult things in my life, I decided that those events were one of the high points in what had given me the opportunities that I'd been given. And I decided that I wanted to create something similar, but that was more in line with what I'd done and the kind of people I wanted to connect with and the kind of people that not only I wanted to help, but I wanted to get help from, that I wanted to rub shoulders with. I also wanted to make it not just sit down and listen or connect with people, but something that was a real experience where you could go and get these connections, have a ton of fun, do some really cool things, but also leave feeling energized, excited, having new vision, clarity, and a ton of connections, and getting your money's worth just out of the fun experiences while also getting all of those other things. Now, it's interesting because these ideas are where I came up with doing the first CDS retreat that we did right here in Idaho. And I'll be very straight with you in saying we did a lot of things wrong. But that first retreat had a massive impact on a lot of people that called me after and said, Chandler, that made me do this or helped me do this or changed my vision on this. So we came back the next year and we refined it. We made it better. We paid more for speakers. We paid more for the experiences. We retuned how we did things so it would work smoother and provide more. And our feedback got way, way better the next event. That event completely changed the way I viewed events because I'm like, holy cow, we're onto something that is phenomenal. And it drew people in that also changed the direction I was going. Just because of that event, I landed a couple deals. I connected with a new contractor that's done a ton of construction projects for me. I was able to connect with some other people that have changed the way that I viewed my business and structured things. And so I was able to get so many meaningful connections out of that event that I said, hey, we've got to do this more than once a year, which is what inspired me to do the CDS Vegas retreat. Now, I am going to approach this retreat in a very, I guess you could say, humble way because I was scared sick about doing an event in a different location. There's a lot of anxiety behind going to somewhere that's hours away from where I live, that I don't have the connections, I don't have the backing, I don't have everything that I have right here in Idaho. It was scary, it was intimidating, and it required putting a ton more money up front. I wanted to kind of put together an event that had experiences that I loved and phenomenal food and a great place to stay. I wanted to pay for the best speakers. I wanted to put together just the perfect atmosphere for connecting with other like-minded investors so that people would get the best experience possible. And so over the last couple months, that's what we've tried to create. Now, I want to be very transparent with you in saying that right as we were about to launch this, I'd made the decision maybe I wasn't going to do it. It seemed scary, it seemed intimidating, and I know that might seem funny considering we'd already done previous events, but it was so scary. We picked a date, and I actually decided to bump the date. We had a new baby that got here, and I was this close to completely pulling the plug. However, I had mentioned with my community that I was thinking about doing this event, and someone from the previous event called me. And they said, Chandler, I don't care when the date is, I don't care what the cost is, sign me up. Because that last event was so impactful for me. I've been able to purchase a couple rental properties. I've changed the direction of my business. I've changed the way I look at things with my personal time and my family. And in every single way, that event completely changed my trajectory. And so I want you to know, whatever you've got planned for this next event, sign me up. Now, keep in mind, when he made this call to me, I was at the point of wanting to bail completely and just not do the event. And that call made me say, you know what, not only do we have to do this, but we have to do it bigger and better than we were even planning. So we doubled down and we launched the Vegas retreat. And as of right now, I am so excited with the speakers that we've got coming. I'm so excited with the food we're going to be eating. I'm so excited with the exotic car racing and the go-karting and the hikes that we have planned. But more than anything else, I'm excited with the people we already have signed up that are coming from previous retreats and some of the new people that have signed up to come. Now, we only have 40 spots, and I've learned from doing other events where when you get over 40 people, you lose what's really meaningful about these events and being able to actually connect and get to know people and have the experiences that truly will help you the most. And so we are capping this event at 40 people. However, as of right now, we still have spots available. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the link in the description. And I think what I would say is a lot of times with these events, people say, Chandler, who is the right person for the event? How do I know if I'll meet the standard or if this is going to be a good fit for me? And here's my answer to you. If you are in a place where you have the money to invest and you are either stuck purchasing the first property or you've bought the first 5, 10, 15 units, I would say this event is the most optimal for you. And the unfortunate or fortunate part is the people in that group are also the most hesitant to do it because you're dealing with a lot of insecurity in where you're at in the decisions you've made. You're not sure if you've invested properly or if you're going to invest in properly. You're trying to figure out the right path to take. And so putting yourself into a room with other people that are striving, that have invested in real estate, that are in a great financial spot, I think a lot of times we get this major imposter syndrome of maybe I don't belong. And if you're feeling that way, even though at your core you know you've worked hard to get the money to be able to invest and put yourself in this place where you've already purchased real estate, or you're in the place where you can scale or buy that first piece or even the first couple pieces of real estate, but you're just stuck, this is where you belong. And I know it's intimidating, I know it's scary, I've been there, but I think the question you've got to ask yourself is, what will I miss out on if I don't end up in that room? What trajectory or course could I be on that I'll miss out on because of missing out on connecting with those couple people that will help me reevaluate, those couple speakers that will give me the clarity that I need for my next best step? And so this is my hard launch of the event on YouTube. It's the first time we've given the details. It's going to be 3 days, April 13th through April 15th. We're going to be racing exotic cars. We're going to be go-karting. We're going to be eating phenomenal food. But most importantly, we're going to be creating an environment where you can connect with other like-minded investors and hopefully reshape everything that you're doing so that you have extreme clarity on your next best step and steps for the remainder of 2026. Hopefully you come and what you get out of it is that you know exactly where to put your time, effort, energy, and money moving forward so that you can end up where you want to be or maybe even better than where you thought you could be. Now, the last thing I want to hit on this event is the people that this is not the right fit. If you are in a place where you're struggling financially, unfortunately, this is not going to be a good fit for you. You need to be in a place where you can invest. If you're expecting an upsell or a done for you or a next thing at this event, this is the wrong event for you. There is no upsell. There is no product I'm pushing. This is purely for you to connect with other investors and myself and see what I'm doing right now to find good cash flowing real estate and to scale my real estate portfolio and some of the tips, tricks, and other things that you can use to scale yours as well. And as much as I would like to say that me or some of the other speakers that I've paid a lot of money to come to this event are going to be the thing that really pushes you over the edge, I'm going to try. But I don't think that's going to be it. I think it's going to be connecting with other people that are at the same spot you are, or just a little bit ahead, that help you shift your vision, that end up partnering with you on a deal, that end up helping you to raise money or to fund your deal or to get funding for your deal, or that tweak an idea in how you've been viewing building your business or your portfolio that changes that trajectory, and someone that becomes, or multiple people that become lifelong friends that help you go down that path. Again, not saying we're not going to do everything we can to bring the heat with all of the other stuff, but more than anything else, people just walk away with that extreme clarity because of the other people they've connected with. And I'm really excited to connect you with you. I think it's going to be a blast, this group of 40 people, and doing all of these fun things I'm so excited for. Again, if you are not in the place where you're willing to take that next step and financially you're in a place where you can, this probably isn't a good fit. The other person that this is probably not a great fit for is the person that thinks they are the bee's knees. I've had people at events before, and they show up and they think they are just the coolest thing since sliced bread. They are unwilling to get ideas from other people. They have this perception that what they're doing is better than everyone else in every way. And those are people that we don't want the event. Each event, I personally screen every single person that comes, and we've had people in that category. Alternatively, we've had people with 50, 100, 150, 200 plus units come to these events because they want to connect with other like-minded people. They want to help them on their journey. And a lot of times, people with money but that haven't invested, they connect with these people that know exactly what they're doing, and it's a perfect combination. So if you are an investor that has crushed it, but you're willing to come and bring value, but also, ask questions and learn from the life experience and the business experience of other people that might be behind you in your journey, this is also a fit. There's one person in specific that's come to previous events. His name is Jeff. He has 198 units. He's completely retired. He has crushed it in all things real estate investing. And he came to the event, and you would never know that unless you asked him questions. He was just there to help where he could, to learn from other people, to be part of the good vibes. And those are also people that we love to have at these events. And inevitably, we have probably 10 to 20% of more experienced investors that are there that just have a phenomenal time connecting with other experienced investors, and for us to connect. We're also bringing in multiple people. We've got Nate Harris, who has a couple hundred rentals, who is a phenomenal speaker, has been a speaker for Tony Robbins. Ryan Pineda is going to be here for this event. And we've got a bunch of other really, really fun people. And so I'm very, very excited. But again, this isn't a sit down and listen. This is a retreat. This is an experience. This is a place you can connect. We're going to have speakers there, but that's going to be a smaller portion, where most of it is just connecting with like-minded people and finding that clarity for your next best step. So if that's something you're interested in, I've put the link down below. You can also message me on Instagram. And if you enjoyed this video or have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, hit the little bell, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the future videos. Thanks, guys.